everyone! Okay, so today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Usually I make tutorials to teach you guys, but today I am gonna learn a tutorial myself. I've been seeing this trend of I tried doing this makeup tutorial from a specific YouTuber, but I'm gonna put a little yo-yo twist on it. And today I am gonna try to do a Yotricks tutorial for you guys. If you don't know Yotricks, you should because they're amazing. They make a bunch of tutorials, a bunch of different videos. I've worked with them before and I've made a couple tutorials with them. Yeah, so today I am gonna learn one of their tricks from their many videos in their archive. I'll go through them randomly. I don't know which one to choose yet. I don't know. Maybe I should do something too hard. I thought this might be fun because, you know, maybe I'm seen as a professional yo-yo player. But really when it comes to learning tricks, I'm just like you guys. I also have to take it step by step, and they definitely make it look easier than it is, which maybe I do that as well when I'm doing tutorials. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna learn a new trick today, and yeah. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to like and subscribe. If this video turns out well, if I successfully do this trick, if you guys like it, then maybe I'll do another tutorial from another yo-yo player. Let's get started. Let's see what video I will choose. They teach 4A, 3A, 5A, they even teach kendama. I don't know. Oh my goodness. So I think I will choose an NAGAO tutorial today. He has some of the sickest tricks. I love his style. And yeah, he's such a great guy. So I'm totally gonna learn one of his tricks. Which one is not that difficult? Porygon yo-yo trick. I mean, that's a Pokemon name. So we will learn that one.
This trick is called Porygon and it looks like this.
Oh my god, Evan.
So you're gonna start off in a
No, that's way too long. I cannot do that. What do the comments say? Yes, it's an epic trick, but did anyone try this? Alright, so I moved the camera back. We're gonna learn the car wash yo-yo trick because this is only 3 minutes and 42 seconds long, so hopefully it's short and not too difficult because I would be here for a long time.
This trick is called car wash and it looks like this.
Okay. Ooh, nice. Alright. Okay. That looks a little bit doable. He has such cool tricks. Okay, so hopefully I can do this justice.
Start off this trick in a trapeze.
Okay, trapeze.
Then you're going to take your throw hand and wrap it around the string, pressing your thumb down on the string. You pinch with your non-throw hand index finger and middle finger. Then you're going to turn your throw hand face inwards towards your body, with your palm facing towards your body. Then you're going to take the yo-yo, put it under the string in your throw hand, and you're going to...
Slow down, hold on.
Then you're going to level out your hands.
Pinch, down, level, like that. Okay.
Then you're going to pop the yo-yo out forward, but if you just pop it straight up, it's not going to come off the string. So you want to make sure it pops through.
Pinch, but I always forget that. Okay, down, pinch, just like that. Oh, nice. They explain these so well, really. There's so much detail in explaining how to do yo-yo tricks, but Yotricks gets it done.
Once you've done that,
okay,
you're going to immediately land from that pop onto a grind.
Oh, wait, go back. Go back, please.
And on the other side of the kink.
The kink?
Then you're going to drop your non-throw hand.
Okay, hold on. Woo, what did he do? Go back, please, go back.
Onto the front string. And
got it. Alright, pinch, down, go down. Alright. No. I'm actually very lost at this point.
Once you've done that, you're going to immediately land from that pop onto a grind.
Okay. Wait, so first, that was weird editing. So this goes down, right? You pop off, right? Like that? Is it like this? Did I miss a step? Is that correct? Let's continue.
Then you're going to drop your non-throw hand.
Okay. Maybe.
And you're gonna bring your non-throw hand over your throw hand.
Yes.
Then grab the string that's wrapped around
Hold on. Is he left-handed? Oh my god, he's left-handed. Because he's left-handed and I'm right-handed, I can just look at him directly and then follow his movements. Exactly. But let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Just keep rewinding it.
And from that pop onto a grind. So from the grind, then you're going to land
okay, whatever.
onto the front string. Then you're going to drop your non-throw hand.
Yes.
And you're going to bring your non-throw hand over your throw hand.
Yes.
Then grab the string that's wrapped around your thumb.
Yes. Yes.
And you're going to...
La 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 la. Bada bada ma. Oh, I'm so lost at the part. Oh, Evan. What are you doing, homie? Wait, this. Okay. This. Okay, so you grab it.
On the inside and under the yo-yo.
Okay.
And that'll dismount the yo-yo.
Cool, I did not do that correctly. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm sure you guys already know this trick and are like, yeah, you're doing it completely wrong. You're supposed to do this. I know I'm doing it wrong. Hold on. I'm learning. So you pop it off. You pop it off. And, okay. That should be all in one motion, I think. And here, go off. Great, okay. Now play. I'm gonna use my toe to turn it on again. Go.
Now once you have the yo-yo dismounted, you're going to bring your non-throw hand and the loop over your throw hand again.
Okay.
And you're going to swing the yo-yo up onto a grind on your index finger.
What?
So once you're on the grind, you're going to pull your hands apart. And this should allow the yo-yo to come off the grind and onto a tree.
Okay. I see what you're doing, but I can't do it right now. Just give me a moment. Why is it even called car wash? These are the type of answers I need. All right, it pops off, but then you grind. Go on. Down, over, above. And then, what is it? Oh yeah, go here. And then, grind. No. Okay, I'll just continue and see if they show me any slow-mo shots.
To really make this trick look good, you want to make sure that the yo-yo is continuously moving throughout the trick.
Yeah, I can't do that right now.
This will get you the best flow of the trick.
Oh, that looks so good, but alright, that is later. That is later for making it look good. First, I need to actually land this. No. My God, why do I suck? Okay. It's moving. Wait, hold on. Is it like this? I think that's it. Am I doing that right? I don't know. I think that was right. So I popped through the hole. Okay.
You don't necessarily have to land on the string in this mount.
Oh, really?
You can actually land in front of the string, and that won't change the trick whatsoever.
Yeah.
You can still do the trick just fine.
Okay, cool. That makes it so much easier.
And that is car wash.
Thank you, Evan. I should be using an edge, but I'm using a checkpoint. Checkpoint pivot. That like pop is really difficult. I don't understand how he's doing it all in one motion. For me to get that pop, all I can do is first pop it off and then grind it and then put it back on, which is not correct, but that's okay for right now. And then here, that, there, and then trapeze. Oh, it's just such like in one fluid motion. Ooh, it's so nice. Oh, are there bloopers at the end? I like those.
In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do split the atom. So you throw a split bottom out closest to your opposite hand.
Uh-huh. Oh my God. That was so extra. Let me get this trick down once more. First, trapeze. Pinch. Do this little maneuver. Go down onto yo-yo. This is where I mess up all the time. It has to be in one motion. Oh, that was good, but sloppy. Me. Okay. Yes. And that's, but, okay. Woo, yeah! Yay, I can do it, but not very well. This needs a lot of practice to make it look as good as he does it. There we go. I just tried doing a Yotricks tutorial. Evan NAGAO tutorials. That was actually a really cool trick. Thank you, Evan. I love that. I need probably like an hour or so to perfect this even more. Smoother, consistent, and not as choppy and sloppy looking as it looked right now. with any tutorial, even with any tutorials that I make, I mean, I definitely make it look easy, but it definitely takes some time to perfect it. Of course, when you're starting out and learning a new yo-yo trick, it's gonna be pretty, sloppy. You're learning it step by step. It's all about repetition and just learning the trick over and over again. And then in time, you can just do it very naturally. It will come second nature to you. Yeah, let me try one more time. Yay! Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get right now. Yeah, I'll definitely practice this more. Thank you, Yotricks. Thank you, Evan, for teaching me this trick. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this trick before, if you've struggled with it, or you can do it way better than I can. Probably. That's probably it. I'm sure you guys can do this already way more cleaner than I can. So thank you so much. I will talk to you guys later. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.